Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can delete and restore a file from the recycle bin in Windows laptop. So I can open here recycle bin and here you can see there is no file. So now I want to delete a file and let me show you. Here you can see I have few drives, just I can go on the D drive and now I can delete this one. Then after that let me go back in the recycle bin. So here you can see file is deleted and here you can see in the recycle bin file is available. So if you want to restore, just you can right click and after that you can go back. Here you can see file is restored. So if your files are deleted from the recycle bin, how you can restore them? Just you can install the data recovery software. Just you can go here and search for data recovery software for Windows. So you can install any of these and after that you can restore your files with the help of this software.